Welcome back to the channel, your primary destination for Voron-style 3D printer upgrades, chamber thermal control guides, filament print optimization tutorials, and open-source hardware teardowns. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at an essential upgrade for the Sovol SV08, the official metal and tempered glass open enclosure with drag chain and filter fan. The open frame design of the Sovol SV08 offers incredible printing speeds out of the box, but printing engineering polymers like ABS, ASA, or Nylon in open air is nearly impossible due to warping and thermal shock. This custom-fit metal and glass enclosure transforms the SV08 into a fully enclosed production workhorse. At the core of the upgrade is a heavy-duty metal frame structure paired with clear tempered glass panels. Unlike soft fabric tents that sag over time, this rigid build adds structural stability, delivers professional desk aesthetics, and provides complete crystal clear visibility into your build volume from any angle. Thermal performance is significantly improved once sealed. By capturing heat generated from the heated bed, the enclosure maintains a stable internal ambient temperature, eliminating cold room drafts and preventing corner lifting on large format technical models. To handle high-speed toolhead motion inside the enclosed frame, the kit includes a dedicated nylon drag chain. The drag chain neatly routes toolhead wiring harnesses and the PTFE filament tube, preventing cables from rubbing against glass panels or catching on gantry rails. Air quality and fume safety are addressed with the integrated exhaust fan system. Featuring a rear-mounted axial fan paired with a dust screen and filter housing, it continuously draws out volatile organic compounds and plastic fumes generated during high-temp printing, keeping your workshop air clean. Acoustic dampening is an immediate added benefit. By sealing off the high-speed motion components, the heavy glass and metal panels absorb motor whine and high-velocity fan noise, keeping operations quiet during multi-day print runs. For users needing the full 345mm Z-axis clearance, Sovol provides downloadable top extension files to raise the upper lid, ensuring full print volume availability while keeping heat dissipation manageable when switching back to PLA. Featuring a rigid metal frame, clear tempered glass panels, an integrated drag chain for clean cable routing, an active filter fan exhaust, and passive heat retention, this Sovol SV08 enclosure kit is a must-have for technical filament printing. If you enjoyed this Sovol SV08 enclosure review and hardware breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Are you printing ABS and ASA on your SV08?